So, punta tayo dito sa payment method. Ayun. So, ang net proceeds natin sa bracket na to na from September 24 to present is $6,874 ito sa baba. Pero yung available fund lang natin as of today is $6,758. So, almost $120 lang. Kasi yung dapat ma-withdraw namin is October 8 pa. Akala ko ngayon na. Sorry. So, kung aantayin natin yung October 8, yung total amount niya, dito dati, wala pa ito dati eh. So, estimated disbursement amount as of October 7 is 390,767 pesos. So, meron na isang conversion kasi nga, inattach ko yung Philippine bank namin. Meron pa rin fees, pero hindi na gaanong kalakihan. Pero, isa pa pala guys, may na-receive ako. For sure, na-receive nyo din last October 3. So, si Bangko Sentral is nag-implement na as per transaction per day is maximum of 500,000 pesos. So, i-withdraw natin yan, guys. So, scroll up lang ang konti.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
You're just withdrawing 300?
Yeah. Request transfer, request disbursement to your account. So, receive by 3 to 5 days. May receive ko. So, ngayon is October 7. So, possible ma-receive ko siya October 10 or October 12. Date and time kung kailan ko na-request is October 8. Current settlement amount is $6,758. And transfer to ending account is 578, which is ito yung bank namin. So, yun. Nag-notify na din sa phone. Your payment is on the way. Congratulations, your payment's on the way and will arrive 3 to 5 days, business days. We will initiate transfer to your account. Ayan. So, mababawasan yung total. Yung total ko kasi is $11,676. Ayan, guys. So, yun yung withdrawal process natin. I know na napakita ko na to previously sa mga ilang videos namin. So, same process lang pero direct na sa bank namin.